How to update your payment method on SHEIN account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your SHEIN app. You will land to the shop page. Now from here you have to head towards any of the product that you want to purchase. Just open the product and select details of the product, size and color. Once you do that, click on Add to Cart. After you are done with selecting the items and adding to the cart, now click on this cart icon. In this page, you're going to find all the items that you have added to the cart. Now you can select the items that you want to place order for and then click on the option of checkout. You will land to the order confirmation page. Firstly, type in your shipping address and then select your shipping method. Scroll down. You'll see this section of payment method. From here, you can easily update your payment method. You can choose any of these options given over here: PayPal, credit or debit card, likewise free payments, buy now, pay later, Apple Pay, Cash Pay, Venmo. You can choose any of these options given over here. Once you select it, if you have coupon or gift card, you can apply it from here. You can check the details of your product and then scroll all the way down, click on place order. Now you have to provide your payment details. Type in your card number, expiry date and CVV. Likewise, you can check your billing address and your payment details. After you fill all this, click on the option of place order. With that, you will be good to go. So this is how you can update your payment method on SHEIN account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.